In this example, we're going to find a line that passes through 2 points, point A and point B. Right, something like this, right? We're going to calculate the gradient of this line. We use that using the formula y2 minus y1 equals over x2 minus x1. Should be x1 there, pardon that. Right, so the only trick here is to be consistent with which point is 2, which point is 1. Here I've chosen point B as 2, and I get a gradient of negative 2/3. Now to find the line, there's a few different ways we can go here. I can use the point gradient formula, which would be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We could use either point A or B for x1, y1, and I'm going to show you both. Start with point A. So we have y minus 3 equals negative 2/3 of x minus 1. Right, a little bit of distributive law. Let's expand that bracket out. Right, get the y by itself, because remember we want this in gradient-intercept form, so we need y equals mx plus c. So y is negative 2/3 of x plus 2/3 plus 3. Put the over a common denominator so that we can add those two constants, and we get negative 2x over 3 plus 11/3. Well, let's try with point B. Verify that we get the same result. So y minus 5 equals negative 2/3 of x minus negative 2. And again, we'll expand out the bracket. Negative 2/3 x. Oh, I'm going to fix that negative sign first, and then now we'll expand out the bracket. Alright, being careful with our signs. Alright, now we add 5 to both sides. Alright, and again, we can put this all over a common denominator. The constants over a common denominator, we get 11/3. So we have the exact same equation. Now we don't have to use the point gradient formula. We can go straight to gradient-intercept form and write y equals negative 2/3 x plus c. And then we use either of our points to sub in for x and y and find c. Right, so without knowing what c is, pretend we haven't really worked out c, y equals negative 2/3 x plus c. And now I'm going to use point A here. We could sub in either point. Right. Point A, we have 3 equals negative 2/3 of 1 plus c. And you can see with just a little bit of rearranging, right, a little bit of algebra, c is 11/3, right? So our equation for our line is y equals negative 2/3 of x plus 11/3. And we get the same answer with two different methods using different points. You could do it with that fourth way with using point B, and you still get the same answer.